Okay, Ford Ranger PX3 with poor braking performance, or brake pedal feeling a bit soft, or brakes not working very well, and a PX3 Ford Ranger that's 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 22. So what we actually found in this one is there is a crack in this brake booster. Okay, so if you look really closely here, you can see around this groove here it's actually cracked. Okay, and to test this in the vehicle, obviously the brake master cylinder was still bolted up, and we just pulled out our vacuum line here, so that just pulled straight out, and we put our smoke tester in here. So filling it up with smoke, and obviously it's sealed with the brake master cylinder on there, and we could see smoke just pouring out of this crack. So what you'll actually see when you put your foot on the brake is that these actually flex. So this back part actually flexes back a bit, and that's why they crack around here. Quite a common issue for the PX3 Ford Ranger. So definitely something to check out if your brake pedal doesn't feel great, or you're just got poor performance. This one, the pedal didn't feel too bad, but it just wasn't stopping like it should, and this is the problem that we found. So definitely something to check out. Get your smoke tester on there so you can see sort of the orientation of where this one's cracked around this side here, but it could actually crack anywhere around in that groove there where it flexes.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button, and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.